We are living in a time where being environmentally responsible is extremely important, but most of us reference an eco-friendly option such as a hydrogen-powered car as an expensive one. But is that really the truth? Well, let's find out as we take a look into the costs, benefits, and the overall economy of owning a hydrogen-powered car. In the ongoing quest for sustainable transportation solutions, hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, FCVs, have emerged as a promising contender, offering not only environmental benefits but also significant long-term cost savings and economic opportunities. While the upfront investment in hydrogen fuel cell vehicles may present a financial hurdle for some, the operational cost over the vehicle's lifetime can prove to be substantially lower. Unlike gasoline, which is subject to volatile price fluctuations driven by global oil markets, hydrogen tends to have a more stable pricing trajectory. This stability can translate to predictable fuel cost for FCV owners, providing a sense of financial security and predictability. Additionally, the inherent efficiency of FCVs often results in lower fuel consumption compared to traditional internal combustion engines, further reducing long-term operating expenses. Moreover, the maintenance cost of hydrogen cars tends to be lower due to the simpler mechanics of fuel cell systems compared to complex combustion engines. Hydrogen as a fuel source holds the potential to contribute to environmental sustainability and potentially reduce fuel costs in the long term. Currently, the price of hydrogen fuel stands at around $13 to $16 per kilogram, according to the Department of Energy. This cost is comparable to the price of gasoline today, with a kilogram of hydrogen roughly equivalent to 2 gallons of gasoline in terms of energy content. The range achievable from a kilogram of hydrogen varies depending on the vehicle, with some models capable of traveling more than 300 miles on a full refill. This translates to a fuel economy of approximately 70 miles per gasoline gallon equivalent, showcasing the efficiency of hydrogen-powered vehicles. One significant advantage of hydrogen production is the decreasing cost associated with it over time. The production costs of hydrogen have been steadily declining. This trend not only enhances the competitiveness of hydrogen as a fuel option, but also makes it more economically viable for widespread adoption. Despite these promising aspects, challenges such as limited infrastructure and high initial cost of hydrogen vehicles remain significant barriers to widespread adoption. As we all know, the first steps are always the hardest ones. However, ongoing research and development efforts aim to address these challenges and further improve the accessibility and affordability of hydrogen fuel technology. Moving towards hydrogen fuel cell cars marks a significant shift in automotive technology, as they essentially operate as electric cars equipped with an onboard power-generating device known as the fuel cell. This similarity to electric vehicles renders hydrogen cars conceptually and mechanically simpler compared to traditional gasoline vehicles. One notable advantage of hydrogen fuel cell cars is the absence of certain maintenance tasks inherent to gasoline vehicles. For instance, there's no need for oil changes, spark plug replacements, or transmission rebuilds, significantly reducing maintenance requirements and costs with it. Instead, regular inspections are scheduled just to basically ensure that your vehicle is operating at its optimal performance. Like electric cars, hydrogen fuel cell vehicles utilize regenerative braking, a feature that helps recharge the onboard battery while reducing wear on braking components. This contributes to lower maintenance needs compared to gasoline cars, where brake wear is more pronounced. While suspension components in hydrogen cars bear more weight than their gasoline counterparts, they typically require attention similar to any other vehicle over time. However, their maintenance demands are not significantly heightened compared to traditional vehicles, so rest assured. It's safe to say that hydrogen cars have fewer moving parts and a lot less complexity, meaning that this is yet another reason why these vehicles offer a potential for reduced maintenance cost and enhanced reliability over their lifespan. As hydrogen fuel cell technology continues to advance and become more widespread, further optimizations in vehicle design and maintenance practices are likely to emerge, contributing to even greater efficiency and ease of ownership. In essence, embracing hydrogen fuel cell cars represents a step towards a simpler, cleaner, and more sustainable automotive future. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for all updates related to hydrogen cars. Show us your support by liking this video. Let's continue. In addition to the practical advantages, owning a hydrogen fuel cell car offers an exceptional driving experience that enthusiast and eco-conscious drivers alike can appreciate. Thanks to electric motors propelling the wheels, drivers can revel in the instantaneous acceleration and remarkable smoothness characteristic of these vehicles. Unlike traditional gasoline cars with complex internal combustion engines, electric motors boast just one moving part, eliminating components like pistons, valves, and shafts that can cause vibrations. As a result, the driving experience is notably refined, with no jerky gear shifts to interrupt the seamless flow of power. Furthermore, the serene driving environment extends to noise levels or lack thereof. Hydrogen and electricity-driven cars generate significantly less noise compared to their gasoline counterparts. So much so that in September 2020, U.S. regulators mandated electric cars to produce a sound at low speeds to enhance pedestrian safety. This requirement ensures that individuals who are blind, partially sighted, or otherwise distracted can hear approaching electric vehicles, reducing potential safety concerns in urban environments. The combination of swift acceleration, smooth operation, and reduced noise levels contributes to a truly immersive driving experience in hydrogen fuel cell cars. Whether navigating city streets or cruising along open highways, drivers can enjoy the sheer pleasure of piloting a technologically advanced and eco-friendly vehicle. As hydrogen fuel cell technology continues to evolve and gain traction, drivers can anticipate even more refined driving experiences and enhanced features, further solidifying the appeal of these innovative automobiles in the automotive landscape. The peak of owning a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle extends beyond the realm of driving experience, encompassing a suite of benefits that make ownership both convenient and cost-effective. Take, for instance, the Hyundai Nexo and Toyota Mirai, the pioneering hydrogen-powered vehicles currently available for purchase in the U.S. market. For buyers of the Hyundai Nexo, stepping into ownership means stepping into a world of convenience. The price of the 2024 Hyundai Nexo is expected to start around $62,000 and go up to $65,000, depending on the trim and options. Every new Nexo comes with a generous offer: 3 years or 36,000 miles of complimentary factory scheduled maintenance. This means that caring for your Nexo becomes incredibly straightforward, with essential services such as tire rotations, multi-point inspections, and more covered at no additional cost. Similarly, the Toyota Mirai elevates the ownership experience with its comprehensive maintenance coverage. The price of the 2024 Toyota Mirai starts at $51,285 and goes up to $68,210 depending on the trim and options. Interestingly, all Mirai models come with a $15,000 fuel credit over 3 to 6 years. Purchasing a new Mirai entitles you to 3 years or 35,000 miles of complimentary extended Toyota Care coverage. This inclusive package encompasses a range of services, including regular multi-point inspections, fuel level adjustments, cabin filter changes, tire rotations, and more. Additionally, buyers benefit from standard roadside assistance for the same duration, further enhancing the value proposition of Mirai ownership. The provision of such extensive maintenance packages underscores the commitment of Hyundai and Toyota to not only deliver groundbreaking hydrogen fuel cell technology, but also to ensure that owners enjoy a seamless and worry-free ownership experience. They are trying to find a way in which you will be compensated as soon as possible for the initially high price of the vehicle. By removing the financial burden associated with routine maintenance tasks, these automakers empower drivers to focus on what truly matters, enjoying the revolutionary driving experience offered by hydrogen fuel cell vehicles while contributing to a cleaner, greener future. As the automotive industry continues to embrace sustainable technologies, the Hyundai Nexo and Toyota Mirai stand out as shining examples of innovation, convenience, and environmental stewardship. As we conclude our analysis of owning a hydrogen car, it's clear that this decision transcends mere transportation. It's a commitment to shaping a sustainable future. The initial costs may be significant, but with time, it's definitely worth it. Not only from an economic point of view, but also from an environmental one. What do you think? Is it worth it? Let us know in the comments below.